Yeah, yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they do on my name turn to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big bills keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pity party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody.
What's up, chat?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I can't play music. Damn. Oof. I was gonna click on the song, but unfortunately, I can't play music. You guys hear me? Mic check, mic check, mic check. Hello?
What's up, dog?
Mic check, mic check.
What's up?
Alright. Unfortunately, got this. Alright, what's going on, guys? How we doing today? Let me switch my browser real quick. Alright, so trades taken. I'm gonna remove this. That was from yesterday. Number of trades. Oh, not that. Trades taken. Where's it? There we go. There's that, and then today's focus got that, and then I think that's it. What's up, guys? What up, Havok? Avok? What up, Pierre? Oh, drew it up. Eric, Ollie G, Tyler, I see you. IG Robert, I see you. Enzo, what's up? Bear, what's up? Turn me up. Yeah, I don't have the sound no more on my Go XLR. I gotta remake all the sounds again. So I need like someone new to come to the streams and yell at the top of their lungs. Turn me up one day. What up, Wixon? What up, Andre? Mars Trading, DD.
Morning.
And everyone else on the Zoom. I just can't see your faces, so. Is it me, or I just woke up and I saw this range and I just felt like it's gonna be a rangey shitty day today.
I deleted DJ off my checklist today.
Like, I just saw this. Like, it's NFT on Friday, right? So I'm like, okay, it makes sense now. We're ranging for gold. Makes sense.
Once I seen this candle right here, I'm like, all right, it's a done deal, dog. That retracement, I'm like, it's a done deal.
Yeah, so gonna do a quick breakdown before we start off the day. So today we have Euro bank holiday. We're not trading Euro pairs, so that's fine. Should be a huge difference. Had pairs, had news, bill permits at 10:30. Yeah, I've had nothing much going on, not much. Nothing too crazy, but take a look at this real quick. I think I talked about this yesterday. Talk about how like I was bearish for a day on gold just because we have what's this music? It's too early for this. You had like a resistance right here on gold, right? And we actually closed bearish yesterday, rejecting that resistance. So therefore, I believe today we should continue down to make a support somewhere. The thing is, you have like a minor pair support right here, but if that were to break, we are gonna be head down towards the 1881 level here. Because look left, like this is clean traffic, starting price down into that range there. But yeah, my target for the day is gonna be probably 1881. I know it sounds crazy, but it's just like it's stuff that we've been doing all the time, right? Price critical resistance. This is the bottom of the range. I expect this to be the whole entire range before price continues to break out of the range. But I'm bullish for the week, bearish for the day, because even if we were to come down towards the 1881 mark, we're still gonna be respecting the weekly lows. Because the weekly lows from last week, if we go on a weekly time frame, is gonna be here at the 1871 mark, and us going down towards the 18, like the support here, 1882, we're gonna be breaking the lows or anything, right? So the weekly still bullish. The thing though is that the charts are pretty rangy today, so looking for sells for me at least would probably be like below here. The traffic going down is very clean, however, so that at least that's a good sign. If we were to close below here, I want to say below the support like this, we should be headed down towards the next level support, which is going to be somewhere down here in that range, 1894 to 1889 would be my ranges. That is a 40 pip range going down, so just like a little trade idea of what or plan on what we might be looking for today. Looking for buys for me though. I wouldn't hesitate on buys as well, just because I'm bullish for the weekly. But I think buys for me would be above 1903, I believe. Just don't avoid this range here. Above here would be my buys. Above here. Above there, going up towards like this range up here would be like a 60 pip range going up. But I'll avoid like this range right here is what I'll avoid today. I'll stay out of this, and I'll catch this. I'll try to catch this. That's it. That's my day. Gold GJ in their hand. I think GJ is looking like it has no top. We're gonna weekly counts though. Right, and day count closed bearish yesterday with barely a bottom wick. I mean, we're pushing up here, bullish here today. 4 hour count is definitely bullish here. It could be a start of the flip, right? We're moving on to Wednesday now. We have 2 days left in a week. This week it kind of has no top wick here, starting to reject that support there, that very minor support that it tapped. So high chance that it may actually continue up from here, going up to retest the highs on the daily time frame. Obviously, I would prefer a closure. A closure like this would be ideal today for us to continue up tomorrow to actually continue up. But if you can't anticipate that we're gonna reject here, we may look for buys going up today before we actually close. So I believe for me, the bias for me would be if we were to. That was a banger. I'm gonna add this to the playlist. Streaming music. If we were to maybe, this sounds like some inspirational speech or something. If we were able to maybe break above 155, 380 here, that would be clean for us to drive up towards the next level of resistance there. Next level of resistance for us is going to be somewhere around here. Let's say here. All right, so the range going up is a 26 pip range. Not bad at all, as we're breaking back into this area here. If you look left, there's a clean traffic driving price back up this area. I'll say if anything above here would be clean traffic. This isn't necessarily that clean, but overall it's still in a range that we're breaking back into. I'll say if you want to be a bit more patient, then wait for this to break out, because this is a lot more clean. There's like nothing stopping price there. A closure above 155, 500 would be ideal. Or what I'm looking for today. But yeah, we're in that. Right now we're in the range. The day time is technically bearish, so if we were to maybe break below here, then we may actually continue down to retest the lows down here. But kind of chalked for me. I don't know. I think sells would be below here for me. 154, 800. I'm gonna avoid this range. I catch this range. Whatever's down here and whatever's up here. That's my plan for a day. So same thing as gold. But yeah, pretty simple analysis. Despite me getting a PC, coming to an Apple lifetime user. That's a hard shit to do. I'm an Apple lifetime user as well, man. Trust me. I've had an iPad. I had the iPhones. I've had all the MacBook. I've had a touchpad, the Magic keyboard, the Magic touchpad, right? So even when I did switch, I got a monitor for myself. I didn't even use like a regular keyboard, like this type of stuff, you know. I used like an Apple one with like a Samsung monitor when I got like a monitor, like an Asus monitor. So I've always been like a Apple head. Trust me, it's definitely worth it if you guys are looking to transfer and switch over. And plus it's cheaper too. Like a 5K PC it will probably be worth like a 20K 30K Apple PC. $1,000 PC is probably worth like a 5K Apple PC. Right, but it's technically the same parts. The CPU and all that. Just building it. Yeah, Apple UI is definitely nicer though. I do agree. Definitely a lot cleaner, but this is so much more you can do on PC. I'm gonna keep it a buck. $1.50. Keep the change. Suns got, I mean, the Lakers got slapped yesterday. What else are we talk about today? That's it. What else? The thing about PC too is that you can upgrade every year. You can upgrade PC. You don't gotta buy a whole PC every year. You can just upgrade a part. It'll be a brand new PC. A CPU or a GPU every other year, right? Kinda cool. But it's kinda expensive. Graphic cards nowadays are going for $1,000+. A decent one. Or a good one. Unless you get the old series. Also depends what you do though. Like if you're just browsing the internet, you don't need anything else. I said you can just get a Mac, but I don't know, man. It's like you're paying 10x the price for a piece of metal. Bucks next year is going to be legendary. But wait, oh yeah, next year's yeah. Bucks, I mean Nets in 6, I think. Nets in 6.
Against 2.
Bucks. Nets in 6 or Nets in 7. I'm pretty sure in 6 though.
Yeah, probably like 5. I don't think the Bucks are gonna stand a chance.
Be honest.
They're gonna get smacked.
KD's isn't Giannis taller than KD, right? Or KD's taller?
They're like the same height, I think. I think Giannis might be a little taller. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think Giannis is like, what, 6'11".
My boy has a giant Bucks tat on his bicep, on his arm. Like,
it's tough.
Got it when we were in college. It's like, oh my god.
It's predicting the future.
Something else. I mean, he's like crazy tatted. He's got some other sports teams tatted on him as well. But wow.
Yeah, this is a serious win. Man, that guy needs a chip before he comes to Toronto. What are we waiting for here? Are we waiting for the 1 hour chat to break resistance level? If you go back to the beginning of the stream, I broke down both pairs for at least 20 minutes. Okay, not 20 minutes, but like at least like 5, 6, 7 minutes. So I broke down both pairs from the high tapper down to the small tapper, explain what I was looking for, explain the ranges I was gonna stay out of, and now you're late to class. Came to class late, and you're asking me, sir, buy or sell, pretty much. Go back a bit and watch a little recap there. You know what? I'll just label it on the screen for who are asking. So buys above here. Closure. Can I borrow a pencil? Yeah, you're that type of student right now. You're that student that will go to class late and ask the guy next to him for a pencil, and you would never give it back. You'll lose it during class. The next day, you have a pencil. The next day, the next day you ask for a new pencil. Where's the pencil I gave you yesterday? I don't know. I don't know where it went. That's you right now. How you feel about your LBJ below? Down 3-2. The Leafs lost. I don't care about anything else that happens in the world of sports right now. The Leafs lost. Guys, yesterday we took a trade after right after the like an hour after, 30 minutes after, and it was a pretty clean what was it? DJ starter play. By the way, that runner on DJ ended up hitting TP. So whoever left runners in the center channel, he has a third piss off that. I closed full at 10 just because I had a break-even day Sunday or Monday, break-even day Tuesday in the morning yesterday, so I just decided to close full at 10. But yeah, it says June 1st. Fuck, it does. You're right. Live FOREX training session. I don't like this title no more. This title's so cringy, man. I just want to put like hello or something.
If you put your thumbnail as something similar to like something like basic, then you could just put your title as whatever you want.
Live FOREX train, tune in. You should date every day or make a new thumbnail every day. Yeah.
Imagine Twitch titles were that like basic.
They are. I want to be on Twitch. No one cares about the titles on Twitch.
Imagine Aiden Ross was like sitting at my desk reacting to videos.
Yeah, he just says like, "Come in here, join the live."
He says, "I'm gonna kiss you."
Yeah,
100,000 viewers.
Yeah. I was watching like Rice Room yesterday. Rice Room streams are literally the best. I think he's my favorite my streamer.
Yeah, he's my favorite streamer too. He's the GOAT.
He doesn't even like these guys don't even like try. It's just like they're just built for it. Clickbait thumbnail. Gold moves. Yeah, I'm looking for
I got a good feeling about gold today.
Sorry, I was looking for buys. Sorry, I was looking for sells on gold. My bad. It was sells and golds looking for, not buys. I don't know why I put buys there. Sells below here for me. Sells below here for me. Coming down towards an A9. You got a good feeling about gold, you said?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kind of what DD was explaining in the Zoom chat.
Yeah.
Also because of the way the daily closed and the way the daily looks right now, like that daily wick fill would be in that next range. I think it's got a lot going for it.
On GJ, why would you not have your resistance at 155 312 above the 1 hour bullish candle to the left and potentially look for buys if close above there? Because even if we were close above there, let's move here for a bit. What do you have right after? You have this right after. You might as well put it here and wait for a closure above here, because you don't want to be in a position here and get resistance here to reject coming back down, right? You don't want to see that happen. Come up and then all of a sudden we rejected that resistance, that minor level. That's like a 5 pip range going up from where we drew here. And price will just reject coming back the other way. There's like no point of it. You might as well just wait for a closure above like that whole entire range. But it's not bad. I mean, like technically for me, My ranges I'm looking for buys above here actually. 155, 500. Because I want to avoid this range here. I want to just catch this piece right there. Even above here, it's ranger. Yeah. Who else is playing? The Clippers. Yeah, today you have the Wizards and Suns today. Sun out with the Sixers there. Sixers got that. Knicks and Hawks. Yeah, not looking good for Knicks. Not gonna lie. Grizzly Jazz. Probably
Jazz.
the GGs. Mavericks Clippers. I think Luka might get it today. Buys above here. I'm not gonna put this here actually because I'm not even gonna be entering buys above there. I think I might anticipate something, but I think for me it will be more above 159, 155. That range is 16 pips, which is perfectly fine. Yeah, well, Andrew says right. It's our personal preference on what you kind of wanna, on what you feel comfortable with, right? Not all resistance levels have to be the same. And the most important thing though about drawing for resistance is asking why you're drawing it there, right? And not just drawing it there just because someone else drew it there. Ask yourself why you're drawing it there. Or draw resistance. I'm drawing resistance here because I see that we have rejected this level many times. And we have never closed below here or closed above here. So closure above this area would take us up towards here. That'll be indicating volume as we're breaking above the range. That's why I'm drawing it there. I'll figure out why you're drawing it there. What is this range on gold here? Pips. 90 pip range on gold. Gold didn't move during Asian, didn't move during London. I mean, if it doesn't move today during New York, then I'm pretty sure we're ranging until Friday. Get some water. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. Key price action is honestly frustrating to look at. It's been all right for June. It's what we're 2 days into June. I think the first day already has been a lot better than the whole entire May. Like yesterday was clean. I don't think it's even that bad. Like nothing much is happening. We pushed up yesterday, or end of last week, right? And then we ranged. Came down, I guess. Came up. Bonus range, and then pushed down yesterday. And I come back up to tap this resistance. To maybe continue up again. Retest the highs. Not be on a high time, just like a fake out, like the 4-hour time frame or something, day time frame, right? Because we're obviously so bullish. But I don't know. It's been alright so far. It's been not bad. May has been choppy, man. May has been choppy. On the 1530. Yeah. All right. I'll say even like below this range here, you have clean traffic driving down towards here, 20 pip range.
Don, what do you think about that 30-minute closure on gold? 30-minute, 1 hour, both closed below the range.
Below there? Oh, gold,
GJ.
gold. Yeah, I'm looking for subs below here. 1984.
I got my
1894.
support at 1896.34.
Yeah, that's the most recent support. I was like up here.
What do you think about the closure below there?
It's a 15-20 pip range going down towards here. I'm just more comfortable and more confident taking subs below here. I don't really like this range here.
Makes sense for sure. Say 8 pip range to 1895.08. It's just like your first little support. Move stops to break even there, and then that second one that you drew out.
The thing about that range though is if you were to take subs below there, you have a 4 support right here at 1893. So you have more of a range coming down until you tap the minor support in a higher time frame than subs below 1994, obviously.
Yeah, I was looking at the previous 4 hours doji, so just trying to ignore it and looking at the other 4 hour. It looks clean to push down.
Yeah.
I think I really liked your analysis on the daily, from the daily perspective on gold. And looking at all those rejections on the 1 hour and the 30-minute are, and it's that little shitty range coming down after is going to keep me out from these 30-minute sells. But if it wasn't that scenario, then I'd probably be all over these.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Not bad below here. Your range is definitely there. You have that'll be your entry there. 30 pips for like a. I mean, your stop loss is 17 pips.
Yeah. I guess the only way to make the RR really make some sense is if you have some runners and just have your risk management, right? Moving stops to break even or to current candle highs at certain levels.
You need a 15. 15 is like 12 pips. First stop.
One thing I didn't like about the 15 is it didn't really like technically close below. There's that fake out.
Yeah.
Last time the 15 closed below, it just pushed right back into the range. That was another reason that I was looking to potentially stay out, because that 15 closed below a couple times, 2 times actually, and pushed down a little bit and then actually closed back in the range. What is this music?
This is called Welcome to My Cult.
I feel like you're trying to like slow dance with me.
No, man.
RuneScape music.
This is a cult music. You ever watch Midsummer?
No.
Nah.
Andre, watch that movie today. It's very romantic. Watch it with your wife. It's a very romantic
Midsummer is
movie.
what it's
Yeah,
called?
Midsummer. Very romantic movie. It definitely juice things up. Watch it.
Definitely juice things up. Okay.
Marcos, you watch Midsummer, right? It's very romantic, isn't it?
It's my favorite rom-com, actually. I love that movie.
I actually like the movie too. I watched it
You guys
twice.
should watch it with your parents.
Oh yeah.
That sounds weird.
What, you never watch a movie with your parents?
Not a romantic flick, nah.
It's a
It's
rom-com,
very
guy.
good.
Never
What's
watched a
this?
rom-com with your parents?
I don't know. Marcos, please educate me. What is a rom-com?
A rom-com.
Romantic comedy. That's like
I've never-
that's like
hated.
those are like the #1 movie you watch with your parents, like a rom-com. For
No.
51st date.
I actually don't live with my parents, so I don't watch movies with them like that.
Yo, guys, you hear that? Andre had a bad relationship with his parents. That sucks.
Oh shit.
I had a great relationship with my parents. They're awesome. I just moved out. I got my own place. We don't
Yeah,
watch
'cause
movies together.
Yeah, because you old as fuck.
Shit. Oh, how old are you, Marcos?
Old heads.
OG.
Marcos first.
Marcos 20. You're 23, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uncle Andre.
I just 5 years old there. So, got time.
Uncle Andre, that's messed up.
that's
He's
my
not that old.
That's fun.
Guys,
I'm an uncle already.
I'm 28. It's not a big deal. You guys can call me old. I'm all right with that.
You're our brother's age, man. Uncle Andre.
This dude's farting dust.
Hey, at least I can fart dust in my own house. I don't have to do it with my parents.
Ooh.
That's gross. I don't have chat open. Let me see the chat.
Hey, this chart here. Oh man.
It's all love with Marcos. We love each other.
Yeah, you guys
Yeah,
love
we
each
do.
other a bit too much. Those work on calls.
Oh.
A bit too much. Some got a chart. Looking like whose chart is this? This is Stefano's art. Range 1, range 2. 5's above. 5's below. Ain't too shabby. 39 pip going down. 23 pip range going up. Pretty much what I'm looking for. Not too bad. What is this? Yes, sent me. What is this? Just told me to watch this.
Somewhat consistent. Jeez. Anyway, we gotta try not to laugh. Obviously we tried to make the Bryce Hall
Love
video,
KSI,
try not to
man.
laugh, and that failed.
Crypto
tremendously.
edition.
So now we have a new batch that Mo has set up, and let's try not to laugh.
Yeah, hello? McDonald's, yeah? Are you guys hiring right now? Hey, listen, anyone that's selling the crypto right now, that's how I know you don't know nothing about cryptocurrency, yeah? Because guess who's buying it? Me, yeah? I'm buying it. You don't see a crisis, me, I see an opportunity. We ain't the same, yeah? You don't saw a pandemic, me, I saw a pandemic.
The band.
I need to watch that.
I'll watch it later, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do a reaction stream, but reacting Andy. This is in Twitch. You can't call me reacting Andy. This is debated earlier too. This isn't Twitch. You can't use those terms there. YouTube algo isn't gonna allow that stuff. You're gonna block my and What goals are we talking about staying out? Yeah, rejected that level of support there.
That might just be a top wick.
Could potentially be a top weight. But nonetheless, this is called no volume, guys. This right here is volume. This right here is volume. This right here is volume. This right here is no volume. See the difference? You can play this music? Yeah, but do you really want to hear KSI music on my stream? The door is closed by itself and open. I don't know, maybe. What's wrong with that?
Marcos, you gonna enter gold on the flip a 30-minute or 1 hour?
I'm just looking at it. Looks good if you wait for like a 5-minute closure. It's clean traffic below that flip. But I'm still waiting.
I'm waiting. Yeah.
You know, what'd be better is that 1 hour salary play. But that's a long time.
If Logan is done, low key, he's taller, but Mayweather is Mayweather. Like I don't know, man. I hope Mayweather wins. I mean, I actually hope Logan wins.
What? You want Logan Paul to win?
Yeah, because I want the whole controversy of boxing is changing. You know, so kids are nowadays everyone's a boxer.
Why do you want that?
You're a menace to society. That's why.
Because it's the future. Get these old heads out of here, washed up.
I feel like that's like saying like you want like McLaren traders to like thrive in the it's the same thing.
He wants IML to take over the industry.
No, well,
same energy.
Yo, Ryan Garcia. Ryan Garcia's a social media dude. He's a boxer. He's been
but Ryan Garcia's legit.
Well, how you know?
Dedicated his life to the craft.
No, he's 20. But when did he start boxing? He's 21.
He was a kid. He's been boxing he was boxing in the Junior Olympics.
It's never too late to start.
He's an actual boxer. He's not like a YouTuber or like an influencer thinking it's like the same thing as like an influencer being like, I'm a trader. It's like, yo, you're an influencer, which is respects to that, but you're not a trader. You're a recruiter.
I just feel like Floyd shouldn't have put his legacy at risk. It's like,
nah, man, he's gonna win that shit.
I mean, it's not a professional fight.
I don't think he's gonna get knocked out, but it's a possibility though. Like I've seen guys get knocked out that shouldn't necessarily gotten knocked out. You know what I mean? It's just a punch.
It's part of boxing. You run the risk of getting knocked out.
My thing is we saw prime McGregor punch Mayweather clean in the face multiple times, and Mayweather barely moves. And he's got a chin of steel. I mean,
man,
Logan Paul has never been hit by a normal boxer, never mind the greatest boxer. And not to mention, it's not even a professional fight. He'll be 50-0 if he wins or loses.
He'll make money if he wins or loses.
He's lost. Mayweather's lost before, just non-professional fights. It's not like it's a professional fight or anything like that. It's not even 12 rounds. So
good point, Marcus.
6, no? I mean, I'm pretty sure Mayweather's gonna fuck up Logan Paul, but I kind of want some spice. So.
And 1 hour flipped on gold. I'm too busy talking about Floyd Mayweather.
That's so bad.
Okay, DD.
Floyd's not fighting anyone else for now on. He's only fighting influencers now.
Yeah, he's like 50.
He's like 40 what? 49?
No, he's like 43, I think.
Oh.
DD, where's your stops on gold?
We can't talk right now, but I'm pretty sure it's a 30-minute.
Yeah, you said you couldn't
30-minute high or previous 30-minute?
I would assume it's the
100
current.
mil for that fight?
Yeah, it's current.
Okay, coming down here.
Wait, that fight was 100 mil?
Yeah, the contract.
So the one that Pacquiao was 300, right? Manny Pacquiao from like 3 years ago.
Yeah,
Like 300 mil?
McGregor was number one, I think.
What, 300?
I think he made a couple hundred.
That's almost $1 billion.
McGregor got 100 for losing, so.
Either way, he still won in the bank.
Oh, yeah, Mayweather knows what he's doing. He's gonna make way more money off this fight no matter what.
But anyways, back to trading.
And I hope Logan Paul just gets knocked out.
Yeah, me too. And I like Logan Paul, so I still hope he gets knocked out because I'm just a boxing fan. I just don't want to see boxing take this hit, you know?
Yeah, I agree.
It's gonna be a hook, guaranteed.
I don't think Logan Paul can take those hits.
No,
I think Floyd is gonna stretch it to like the deep rounds with his defense. Logan's not even gonna touch him the first 5 rounds.
In fact, I think you're right, man. That's honestly, that's the way he fights too. He's got endurance. I don't think Logan Paul is out here partying, smoking weed, doing all this crazy shit. Like, I don't think he's ready for a long fight like that.
Nah.
Yeah, good trade, Didi. You're risk free, right? Break even.
Top defensive boxer of all time. It's just not.
Should be up 9 pips now.
I think he got in on the break of the low.
He's up 6 or 7 right now. He said he's in at 5.5.
Logan Paul last 1-2 rounds. It's I mean,
like 6.
you probably
Nice.
wouldn't want you probably wouldn't want the fight to be out that short. Like Michael said, I'm pretty sure he's gonna stretch it out.
I mean, think about Logan. There's no way Logan's going the distance, like in terms of endurance with Mayweather. Like he's endurance. The thing about Mayweather is he doesn't lose any speed when he goes the distance. Like Logan Paul, he's gonna be wild, throwing punches, clinching. I mean, by the time it's second half of the fight, it's gonna be ridiculous. Look at McGregor. You're talking about one of the greatest strikers ever, and he gassed versus Mayweather in 6 rounds.
Also,
So-
I'm pretty sure Mayweather's just gonna like dance around the first couple rounds, anyways. Doesn't educate him watch. Man, I don't know, man. If Logan were to win, it's gonna be crazy the next day.
Gold had some volume there.
Yeah, push down and push right back up.
That was what, 12 pips?
13.
Yeah. TD said he didn't. I don't think he was able to lock it in. Good trade though.
Yeah, good trade though, for reals.
Logan jacked it? Yeah, he is jacked.
Yeah, Logan's massive. He's got a puncher's chance for sure. He's a fucking Goliath. Guy's enormous.
Who are you talking about? Jake Paul?
Logan.
No, Logan Paul. He's like
Logan Paul.
6'2", 200 or something like that. He's just ripped. He's huge.
You gonna watch the Gervonta Davis fight, Marco?
What day is that?
I think isn't it on the same day or not?
If it's the same day, probably not. But if it's a different day, I'm down. I want to see him fight Ryan Garcia so bad.
Me too.
Not gonna happen for a while. They know what they're. You know boxing. They're just gonna build it up forever.
Yeah.
Rip Gold. Holy shit. No, that's June 26th.
I don't know why I really like Ryan Garcia. Probably because he's young. On TikTok, he's on, social media. Yeah, I really like him too.
Yeah, he's like
He has the best
social media's
personality.
boxer.
Not old. He's our generation, is what I'm trying to say. He's like my age. I'm here FOREX streaming. This guy's here making millions boxing.
Yeah, he's 22. That's ridiculous. We're born in the same year.
Oh, he's your age.
I think the push between like the young millennials and the older millennials is gonna definitely like become more prominent in the next like 5 years. Like all I hear is like young millennials hating on older millennials because we're still the same generation. Like Don and myself, even though there's like 6-7 years in between us. But I think the push and separation between us is just gonna keep on growing with the influence of social media and the involvement of the younger millennials and then the older millennials.
Yeah,
Well, isn't it always like that though? Like when you had like your parents.
The respect that, like, let's say I'm like a new millennial, or excuse me, I'm an old millennial. The respect that old millennials had for the generation above them was much more than the respect that the current millennials have for the older heads. Like just growing up, there was a lot more respect for people that were 5-10 years older than you. Now there's not like a sense of lack of respect, but there's like, it's just not given the way it was in the past, I think. So it's definitely different.
Social
It's
media.
like the 90s babies versus the kids who were born like at 2000, basically.
Yes. It's like verse each other rather than like respect for the older heads.
I respect my old heads.
I wish they had a different name for us though. If you were born in the 90s, I feel like we should be in like a different little bracket.
See,
Aren't
Yeah,
you? Because
I agree with that.
I'm a Gen Z. Isn't Gen Z 2000 or later?
Yeah, I'm Gen Z still. I'm the old. I'm like the cusp. I'm like the oldest Gen Z, but a lot of people consider us like the newest millennials. You're like 100% Gen Z, Don.
Yeah, 2000, baby.
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
I know.
Grow up. It's funny because I'll be like people will be like 99 and be like 2000. Like that's how I am. I'm the same way. I'm 98, and if I hear 2000, I'm still like, damn.
Yeah, Andrew's here like, damn, 2000s. I'm from 64.
You're like 93, 92, because you're the same age as my brother.
Yeah,
I'm just 92,
but see,
right?
like, just that to me, like I don't know. When I was like younger, when I was like, I don't know, 18, 19, 20, I respected the people that were like 25, 26, 27. And I just think now the reason that Nafak maybe had said like, I don't want to be categorized as like a millennial is because everyone that's not a millennial thinks you guys are fucking stupid. You know, like you guys are just obsessed with quick, internet responses, right? And like that's just not the way the older generation is brought up. It wasn't like, let's get 100 likes on social media to feel good about ourselves. It was like, let's actually do something to feel good about ourselves, whether it's like some type of social interaction or gathering. It was like in person. It wasn't just all social media.
You know what I think also? You think maybe it's because the younger generation was always getting talked down on? Like, especially my generation. When growing up, like, you guys are too young. You guys are young. And as they grew up, they started to grow this ego in them that, nowadays when everyone's like, actually doing things, especially with social media and stuff, they're starting to have that ego that they're better than this, than the older heads. Maybe?
Yes. I think what you said, Don, is accurate.
We're the softer generation, Don. I agree. Yeah. It's the social media, and everything's through social media. No. Yeah. Because I remember growing up too, and I remember especially a lot of kids my age too. They're always like, or a bunch of older heads always kept saying, "You guys are too young. You guys are too young to do this. You guys are too young to do that." I guess it just stuck with them.
Pierre's been having you try to check his chart on Discord for like the past.
We're talking about Gen Z here. Check my chart, please, sir. I got you. We're just vibing out, having talk. And by the way, guys, whenever I say old heads and young heads, I'm joking. My name is Don here. I'm joking. So for those that take it,
I don't think you're joking. I think you're serious. I just think it's not like a serious thing.
What does that mean?
I think if you call someone an old head, which you do every stream, 5 times a stream, it's not a big deal, right? It's not like saying like, I guess if you take it like the wrong way, you could be like hurt by it. But
that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Because you guys know I respect Andre. I'm on a call with him every day. I'm on call before the stream, after stream, when I go to sleep, before I go to bed.
Okay,
I sleep with them.
Oh my god!
In the shower.
No.
Jesus.
Looking for a 4-hour chart continuation. 4 hours making higher highs and higher lows. Target based on previous fib extension. Oh, so you have a fib extension here, but it's not up. I see how it is the fib. It's 38.2, I believe, right there. Retest the highs. Yeah, I think this tree should be good. I think got a bit H move cloud there too. Oh yeah, look at this. Look where the H move cloud ends there. That line right there, right? That's a resistance. But if it was price action wise, you can just kind of draw resistance like right here. Whoa, pop smoke on the beat. What is this?
This beat.
This is a copyright free beat. This is kind of nice beat. Bro, yeah, I think there's a resistance there. I think once you break that, you should be good towards your TP. If you look left too, there's another cloud right here, and this cloud indicates that clean traffic. You know how I know? Because I used to use the indicator. I'm just looking at this from your perspective, right? But yeah, and I guess Bitcoin. Oh, I didn't realize that's Bitcoin. Yeah, sure. I think your stocks should be good at break even though. Should be good with that. Who's this? Here, you want to come out here?
Here.
4-hour breaking lows of previous weekly still bearish bias. Support resistance. Looking for sells below. Clean range going down. 16 pip range going down. Yes. Yeah, weekly still bearish technically. Yeah. Or daily close bearish if anything. Yeah, below there is not bad. So I was gonna have the same thing as you. that. Of what? That's true. There's someone deleted it. I was gonna read it. We got banned. MM got banned.
Yeah, he got banned for a second. He's gonna have to sit out in timeout.
Who banned him? You?
Yeah.
I was
I'm so
reading it.
old that I don't have a TV, and he spelled my name with an A at the end.
Ah.
Bitch, you're banned. Like, that's it.
I actually want to read a message from him. He said there's an article saying that about 34% of most expensive houses are bought by Gen Z and late millennials. I think it's just because the late millennials have the most experience with social media or are more advanced with it than the older generation. So nowadays everything's social media, everything's through like, you know, crypto and
digital age.
yeah, digital age. It's a lot easier to make money, brand deals, stuff like that. So that's probably why.
I think that's super prudent for old heads or like older millennials to jump on. Like if you're a older millennial and you're not looking to branch into the digital age, then you're gonna get left in the dust.
Yeah,
You gotta like embrace it, even if you're chalked like me with technology. Like you still gotta trying to find a way to adapt and learn a lot about it.
Yeah.
I
I
know.
was looking at it sounds lame, but I was looking at buying a fucking Instagram account yesterday. I'm like, bro, I saw Bandman Kevo talking about it. I'm like, bro, I'm finna just get a jump start and try to promote my business like that.
What's your business to fact?
I'm a loan signing agent, a notary.
Cool.
Yeah.
Notarized.
Yeah.
I know it's crazy. Remember when it was like probably 5-10 years ago when everyone was skeptical about putting their debit and credit card online to buy something, and like like people like even at my age, like they didn't really know how to do it. We were just like kind of new to it. The same things that happened to crypto when everyone's been trying to learn how to use crypto. So if you don't know how to, put a debit and credit card into your Amazon to buy something, you're gonna have a tough time using crypto instead in the next 10-15 years. Because
Good call, Don. I think that's a good forecast.
So you think fiat's dead? You think it's gonna die?
I don't think anything. I'm just observing. All right, there's always gonna be something new. There's always gonna be something new, but who knows?
Fiat's not gonna die. Never will. Government's never gonna give up control, ever.
Nah.
Don't have that much faith in the people. The government has all the power.
That would be cool as fuck.
We ain't as cool. We ain't as powerful or cool as people
It's
think. They're gonna regulate the shit out of crypto. Don't worry, guys.
Oh yeah, I agree with that.
You ain't getting no fucking power. Just focus on your trading.
Focus on your trading.
Tom, what do you think about this 15-minute celery on gold here? If we come down and break the lows after this 15-minute closes.
Yeah, I was looking at that on the 1530 here.
You worried about that little support right there that you have marked? I feel like it's at like pretty much the same level, right? I forgot we were trading for a minute.
I think we could be able to come down towards like 1892 for like a 15-20 range going down if we were to break. I don't believe it will be one push going down away because like we've broken this range in the past and we only came down towards like this area here. So I'm pretty yeah, I'm more confident us tapping this area than this area for the break below. I think for this to break below, we're gonna have to create a new range later on. 15 minutes start play going down. See how the hourly looks. Hourly is bearish. 30 is bearish. Bullish. One pip range going down. You stops at like 12 pips here. Let's see how this next kind of opens up here.
Every time frame is pretty much bearish right now.
Yeah, forward too.
Yeah.
This one's
Even the daily.
Yeah. This is from the weekend type beat. That was a weekend. That doesn't come on here seeing blind lights. The music's not bad actually, guys. Not bad. I've been feeling pain.
Zoom, can you guys hear music or no?
A little bit.
Yes, I hear it. I don't know how to fix this, man.
I hear a little bit more now.
My broadcast stream. What now? Is that better? Nah, right?
This old geezer ass beat, dog.
That's not better, isn't it? Speaker, microphone. Is my chat mic. Is that better? Is that better or no? Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Is the music louder?
Still a little bit low.
I don't know how to fix this.
It's whatever. Just leave it. It is what it is.
Microphone speaker is gonna be oh, is that better now?
Alright. Yeah, a little bit louder.
Yeah, that should be better.
Oh, not good. Look at what happened with Robinhood and GameStop. If it was for sure getting regulated. Oh, who else got a chart here? I think I missed a chart here. I didn't. Guys, send your charts into the Discord server. Don't send it here. Discord is where it's at. That's where the vibes are at. PJ rejecting that support. Discount closed bearish here. One hour is back to where it started. 4 hours bearish. If the 4 can break that low, I guess sells coming down, but I really believe though, if we were to break below 154,800 today, then we should be able to see 154,100, and that's a 70 pip range going down on GJ. But we really need to break below 800 for that to happen. Celery going down on gold. Considering sell stock. Use current 15 as a stock.
Do you think GJ weekly on? Do you think the weekly on GJ will flip bullish? I'm expecting it to flip bullish at some point. I think for that to happen, we're gonna probably need a day count closure, bullish closure as support. So if this count closes bullish like this today, then high chance you have the onion play going back up to retest the highs, because this is a weekly high here. If we're to create support, then we have a high chance to continue up like this, right? This is just a range that we're creating here, resistance, and this is your support. So I'll probably want that to happen, but you can actually anticipate buys if you really anticipate a day count to flip or to continue up today. That's what I'm doing today. I want to see if we can get buys above this range here, above 155,384, because then we could continue up towards here. Then that'll lead us towards the top of the range on a weekly. All right, one thing leads to another. I don't know what's going on in chat, but I'm vibing up to this EDM music. Let's go. I don't got eyes. I don't got social media.
I ain't got social media. I ain't got eyes. I ain't got nothing.
That's how you avoid everything.
Oh, you guys got louder. How'd you guys get louder? Speaker. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I can adjust you guys, okay. Looking for this to give my gold a second chance. If price sweeps these highs, close back within range, come back down, it'll give a second chance. Enter when price breaks below this wick. Oh, for that range there? This is a 1 minute time frame, right? How are you gonna execute on this? On like a 15? Or are you executing on 1 minute? Ooh, 15 came down, didn't break the low, started to reject. It came very close for a 15-minute start play. Never broke. I'll call market maker and tell him about the onion play. Market maker.
Listen. Oh, you lot that were telling me to get into crypto, yeah? Bro, you need to get into crypto, you know? You're missing out on bare money. Who's missing money there? Oh, it's crypto. Yeah, it's a gamble. At the end of the day, you knew the risk you were taking. Yeah? When you sign up, you see the little fine print. Yeah, like risks taken for the crypto thing. Like, come on now. I don't know why you're getting on to me. I ain't no financial advisor, bro.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, is this the Lamborghini Ferrari dealership? Yeah. Just one question. Do you guys doing the refunding?
Bro, I'm gonna order this. Yeah, all free. Trust me, bro. These men don't know what they're doing. But see us, we know what we're doing. So good. Bro.
Hey, yo, that's actually that was so funny. That was actually.
Is it a Lamborghini dealership? Yeah. You guys do refunding? Funny. Reacting stream, guys? What's for stream? Oh, what is this? Because you guys know I respect Andre. I'm on a call with him every day. I'm on call for the stream, after the stream, when I go to sleep, before I go to bed.
Oh,
I sleep with them.
Jesus, yo.
Yeah, it's
Clip
funny.
that with the quickness.
I did it. That's for stream. That's funny. You know what's funny? The day I brought this suit, what was I on? I was on some sheet. RW mod. Clipping that. What's crypto? Where's the crypto people at? What happened to all the crypto talk? This is why I always say I don't care what happens tomorrow, the day after.
Huddle gang.
Yeah, auto gang. I just next 10 years, whatever happens. I just, you know, I never talk about the hype. Never talk about days when we push. It's like we've been doing the same shit. Push, range, push, range, push, range, push, range. We're in a range right now.
RP Shiba. If you know, you know.
This happened to crypto people. They got smacked in the face. Like Andre says, smacked in the face. What's the next line?
Moms in your face.
Yeah, just go spit on you and smack your mama.
Yes, that's what crypto did.
I love how people are referring to the onion play as the big booty onion play now.
Thanks to you, man. Thanks to you, Andre.
Now people gotta live with the imagination of a big booty onion on their charts.
Auto only. Taking that whole auto thing came up when someone misspelled it in a Discord group, or was it Reddit or Discord? It was Reddit, right? Reddit. Yeah. He said cold but hot out, and then that's crazy. Diamond hands. Who here has diamond hands?
Chiba to the moon.
Shiba to hell.
I'm looking into invest into GBP JPY for the next 10 years.
Look at that.
Look at the hot out of some diamond hands. Nigga.
Alright.
Funny. Guys, I haven't played Warzone in like 3 days. I think I need some Warzone in my life.
We're gonna start streaming it, dog.
I might get rid of my Xbox. Just go make a PC.
How much is your what Xbox do you have?
The Xbox One digital.
Digital? That digitals for the Xbox One?
Yeah, there's just there's no disc tray. It's just a box.
PlayStation kind of copied the Xbox then. I'm a PSN guy, so that's how we're getting Discord. The majority of crypto traders are hype traders. You see in one big range right now, people have nothing to talk about. Yeah, that's what it is. This is one huge range. I don't gotta look at it, it's in a range, right? But the moment we break out, people are gonna be all over it. For example, let's take a look at it real quick. ETC USD, sir. Right? How that's doing? It's in this range right here. If we were to break below here, then we may continue down towards 21. If we were to respect this, then we're gonna go back up. Retest 59. This is now clean traffic looking left. The weekly close bullish on support, right? But overall, there's still like this resistance right here. I believe this isn't gonna be the push yet. I believe we're probably gonna have to break above there and close above here in order for us to really continue up. We might struggle in this range for a couple of weeks. Gold pushing up, rejecting that support. How big is this range here? 30-pip range going up. Wow.
It's NFP week, right?
Yeah, it is NFP week.
Yeah.
It is NFP week.
You think shit might be slowing down because of that?
I
think so.
Yeah. Yeah. If gold doesn't move today, I'll say we just wait until Friday. Because gold was it had a lot of potential this week to be an algo week. Algo week on gold. So I talked about yesterday. I'm like, if you don't move for the next couple of days, you might just move on Friday. Because if you look left on a weekly time frame, we closed above this range last week. So I was expecting like this week to have 1950. I was honestly respect these lows here. We haven't moved yet, so who knows? The whole entire push could be on Friday. Friday's gonna be a very interesting day if you don't move within the next couple of days. Or we might just move today. Who knows? Oh shit.
This looks like one of those days where 9 o'clock hits and I just leave.
And did anyone else get caught in those impulse sells there on gold? If you got an impulse sell there, right? This is why we don't do impulse. Why we don't do impulse. unless it's a starter play, and this in this case was not a starter play. Right? Very important. I feel like people just disguise the word FOMO with impulse. You know what? This isn't FOMO. This is put impulse there. This is an impulse entry. Like, dude, this is a FOMO entry, man.
Yes.
You're not sticking to a plan. You're sticking random trades that just because you feel like price is pushing down, price is pushing up. You feel it. Feeling is FOMO. Feeling is emotions. Feeling is energy. Feeling is down bad. You don't want to feel.
Astrology FX.
Yeah, astrology FX. Doesn't your go to astrology?
No, that's manifestation.
Oh shit.
Bro, we're Mercury Gatorade right now.
No, in all seriousness though, impulse sells wouldn't have made sense. There was another support like 4 pips away.
Yeah.
And there was never a closure below at 1894.56. So if you took an impulse sell, it's a terrible trade. So make sure you journal it up. Journal it up. Learn from it next time. We got you.
Yesterday too.
The only trade was Andrea's trade. That was like the one good trade. He did catch 10. He didn't close, but that was a good trade.
I think it was yesterday too when I think we got in what was it, GG Cells yesterday on stream. Where is it?
Stream.
No, the one on stream too though.
Break even.
The break even one.
Break even.
Where was it at? It was like it was like I forgot where. 9 a.m., 7 a.m., 8:30. Nope, it was before that. I think it was on this I think it was this right here. 8:45. Was it this where we got in ourselves? I forgot where. It was before this happened. Was it in this range? It might be in this range, right? No, that's 4 a.m. I'm
double checking right now.
I had my ranges yesterday march up like this. Yeah, like that, and then I had a port here. It was somewhere here.
8:40 a.m. The 8:30 candle. It was like a 1 hour entry. 8:30 a.m.
Oh yeah, it was the 1 hour. You're right.
1 hour close below. It was like a 30-minute seller or something.
Oh
like
yeah,
that.
right there. Yeah.
We caught about 5 pips.
And break
Stops to
even.
break even, and then we hit break even. That was a good trade.
Did you take that sell yesterday? The break even one? I can't remember.
GBP JPY sells.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm reading it off my journal. That's how I knew where it was. Took 2 GJ trades yesterday. And the 1 hour celery is the one that played out. Now I remember. How do we forget like in 12 hours, 24 hours?
I know, because you know why? Because my levels are so marked up. Like my levels are marked up differently today.
Yeah.
Yo, Terry Hampton has seen that, bro. That XM $1 million FOREX championship thing.
That's so cringe.
Seen that. It's so cringe.
So cringe.
Why is it? Let's go watch it real quick. This is the broker that I was talking about where people go for margin on. Like, what do you do? Oh my god.
Hey, we'll take a look in a while at the rankings and see what's going on now.
Okay, so this was the story last night. Then
The decision to close. Jigsaw could actually close right now and see if the others can actually catch up. But that's third.
not here. Yes. Okay.
I'm so confused.
So come on, only 200 coming smaller Marios. Now.
I get
Yeah,
it.
why?
I
Why
get
do we have coaches? Dog, you can play by yourself.
Yo, Donbo reacts. Add Donbo reacts. It's a new series.
Is this real? Like, what the
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna open up a reaction thing in the Discord and send me reaction videos.
Bro, you need a live editor who could just clip these things from the stream and put it on your, just like Aiden Ross and Rice. They have Rice live and Aiden live. This is so funny.
Yo, there's like people watching.
Or nothing.
Yeah.
Is there anywhere where like they actually take positions like, on the thing? I want to see.
Yeah, you just seen him take a US 30 position.
Very jigsaw.
Is it like a simulator they're using? I'm pretty sure it's a simulator, right?
No idea.
You might as well just.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way,
Probably
this is
getting
one of my
my
first
account.
courses, guys. This no nonsense forex. I watched that before.
Yo, Don, keep it real. If you got invited to that tournament, you wouldn't go.
No, I would not go.
Oh yeah, right. No shot he would go. Don would laugh in their face.
Let's make one. Let's make one. Let's do one. Like us, with our community.
Doesn't trading not do that crap? The 1v1s?
Yeah, he does that, but like I'm trying.
Quick scope, no scope.
Yeah, 1v1s. I mean, it's just for content.
You know, every man for himself, like 10 people in like a gauntlet.
What?
First one to blow their account loses. Look at that.
It's hilarious.
Oh shit, check this out, guys. Basically.
Winner wins ego. Let's go. Grand prize, big ego.
So do they have like sponsors and shit, or is this like really new?
That shit happened 4 years ago.
Oh, I'm just late as fuck. Yeah.
2017. Before I started FX, so.
Like a leaderboard for community, basically. Yeah. I want to make a server for clone channel. I'll make it reacting videos. Reaction for stream videos or video reaction for streams. Reactions. Yeah. Boom, boom. Anyone got charts for streams? There you go. Jordan FX, what's up? G 30-minute time from here. Buys above here, waiting for a 30-minute closure. Ranging, looking for sells below here, waiting for a 30-minute close. So we're in a range here and you're looking for breakouts. Yeah, this is GJ, right? Basically, I'm looking for it too, but I think I'm more I'm more focused on buys. The sells are clean the below there. I think someone else had it marked up here as well earlier. I think it was Pierre. You want to come out here? Yeah. A chemist. What's this? Moves off to new hourly high after price moves to the downside because if price retraces back to tap the highs, then that reduces the probabilities of the trade playing out. Entered after closure of hourly candle. Candle closed below range on 30-minute and 1 hour. Nice. What'd you do? Stop loss 50% break even. SL2 50%. Wait. So how many pips did you lock in here? This is like 95 was your entry, coming down to 94. You got like 10 pips there, didn't you? Like 15 pips.
Sure, that's when gold moved fast. I don't think this guy was able to lock anything in. I think he's saying he got stopped. Stop loss 50% to maybe, I don't know. It's confusing.
Is it better be trading off based off of 10 pips? It's better trading off whatever you prefer. Someone messaged me yesterday. They had the audacity to message me. I'm like, oh guys, I got 10 pips here, close fold. He's like, laughing emoji. I'll show you how I get 100 pips. Come watch. Like, I don't care, man. I don't care if I want to. Like, I've been at a stage where I've caught like 500 pips in a trade before, like 500 to 1,000 pips on a swing trade. It's, you know, I don't do that anymore. If I can't, you know, if I can't do the next day again, then there's no point of doing it. If I gotta blow my account 20 times before I get the entry, I'm not, you know, that's not the probability I want. You know, 10 pips, whatever your strategy is, 10 pips, maybe just trying to get a range that's like an average 20 pips, whatever it is. But whatever it is trying to do, try to stick to that same plan every day. Every single day, man. Just because someone else got 100 pips and you only caught 10 doesn't mean they're better than you. And that's when people start to lose focus. And start to change their ways of trading. So that ego, EGO kicks in.
Done. I know you were talking about staying out of the range on GJ, but this current 30-minute pushed up to like that 155 318 closed, and then the next one, the next 30-minute closed bearish at that resistance. It'd put us like right at 830. Would you take sells to come down for the onion play, test 15509?
No, I wouldn't. I'm only looking for sells below, like, I don't know if I want sells today. If anything, I want sells below 154.818. I really anticipate this bias on GJ today with the weak starting to flip here.
I was just gonna say, would you take the buys on this 4-hour flipping bullish?
Yeah, I want to see buys if we're able to break 155.384. That's where I kind of want. I get the idea for that though, Andre. I really expect the weakness is heavily bullish, so I'm more for buys.
Andre, how do you feel about the gold onion play coming down? If it comes up to this, it's coming up to this support or this resistance right now.
No, what, 30-minute?
On the 30-minute, correct. 8:30 onion play.
Yeah, I think that's it's not bad. Like I said before, that previous 4 hour was doji, so the 4 hour below that, or excuse me, previous to that one, the high is like 1902. So this candle can push up right now, like Marcos just said, and then create some resistance at like 1900, and then push down, and then I would look for sells to come down and hopefully test like 1895. It's a good range to come down.
What'd you say on this, Didi? I think once price showed strong bullish candles, showing signs of fake out, could have caught this gold buy. Wait, I think once price showed strong bullish candles, signs of fake out, could have caught this gold. Oh yeah, it's a fake out right there. This is a 5-minute fake out though. Yeah. Thing about gold is I was bearish today on gold. More than I was bullish at least. Yeah. Looks like gold wants to drive up here. Well, it's happened this resistance here now. This level of resistance here. And from here to here, you have a bunch of levels now. You have this level, and then you have this level. So you might as well wait for this entire level to break and get this right here. That's a lot cleaner. That's what I tend to do. I'm looking for positions. Songs for Fugo. Very cool. You know what's crazy? Circle FX. Look at the song it's called. Houseway. Crazy. It's called Fraggle.
Oh, this push.
Oh god.
Eastern Sunrise by Harris Heller.
Watch
One
this
day.
close with no top wig.
Oh, we have an hour left. I mean, we have a minute left. Yeah.
Watch this.
That hour is about to close above, but yeah, if it has no top wick, then it's just a big fat L.
Right, man.
Hey, if you look at the daily, I'm not sure you guys see this, but the daily can oh, it's starting to flip bullish now though. right? Earlier it was bearish at one point. It came down. I guess it rejected that support there. And now it's starting to flip back bullish. And if you look at it, it respected that support that it created the other day. So it's still below the support here. So we're starting to flip bullish here. We actually may get buys if we were to the weekly's still bullish, right? The weekly close above that range too. We actually may get buys above 1903 maybe.
Yeah, 1903.6 is my, yeah, you have it drawn the same.
Oh man, we're approaching those 4-hour highs. previous 4-hour highs.
Yeah.
Candle at least make the final work.
I think the breaking of the previous 4-hour highs would probably keep me out of any sells in that range, those onion sells.
I agree with that.
I won't touch them.
This could be a fake out back in the range though. Close no top wick. This 15 closes back in the range. Looking left, you can see the same thing happened at like 1901. 15 closed no top wick. Next 15 pushed up like 2 or 3 pips and then closed back in the range. Didn't necessarily play out for like the onion right after that, but I consider sells then, but I don't know. Looks like gold wants to push.
You looking for those gold buys, Andre?
Do the same thing that you were referring to in terms of just waiting for the buys above. I think it's like 1903. That looks the cleanest to me. This range right here is chalked.
Yeah. Also like a range 2 too. Range 1.
Yeah.
I think at this
range
point I'll stay out
2.
of this range.
This is the range you want. Yeah, I'm staying out of this for sure.
Definitely. The daily is now bullish, pushing up.
And like Andrea was saying, you could get just a little bit of NFP priced in before Friday, just like an overall big bullish move on gold for the week, especially now that the weekly is looking like it's going to flip bullish if we break above 1903. That's clean.
Ooh.
15 minutes just clean, straight up. 100 pips today. 100 pips in 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Mirror that move back down though. I'm just saying. At 9:30.
There's the 4-hour highs, Marcos. Previous 4-hour highs, broke it.
It's a big fat L. The only way I would get a mirror back down is if it was like an Asian session move. We create like significant resistance. Looks like the buys are the way.
Yep.
Okay.
Turn me up. She's a runner, she's a track star. GJ closed blush in the alley there. ADM opening here at NY open here, so definitely volume. This 1 hour candle on gold as well. I'm just trying to think. I'm not sure if I'm looking for above here or above here. 1904. I think above 1903 should be good here. Right there. Going up. This range is nice. This is a 60-foot range. Runners today, maybe. The weekly's flipping, day's flipping. Day's rebreaking its own day kind of high, right? So could be something. If we were to close bullish today, I believe like on a day time frame, then it could be a start of the bullish trend for the week. Then we're gonna continue up like this, and the weekly count's gonna flip bullish and break above that range. Right, look left in the weekly. It's clean traffic until 1950. That was my original target for the week. So this is a start. Who knows? These are really breakout though. The fact is that your chart.
Yeah.
1 hour. I was above here, yeah. Oh, you draw like that? You draw like a line, then you draw like a box in between a line?
No, I just that red zone is like the zone I don't want to take any trades in. I just forgot to put the gray box around my line sometimes.
Nice levels, man. Yep, I above 316. I'm at 31384. I think someone else earlier talked about 316. 31 and 316 buys. Or 312 it was. It's. I hate this music. I hate it. I can't go to a club, man. I'll get a headache.
Have you ever been?
Yeah, GTA. I've been on everything on GTA, guys. I live life on GTA.
That was funny.
You been to a club, Andre? Of course, you've been to a club, Andre. Well, that's not even a question. It's one of the first things I've asked you. What do you say, Marcos?
So did you see the clip of Aiden getting banned?
Oh yeah.
That's funny. You know what's I wish we had more people in the chat that like watched that stuff.
Well, we are forex traders.
Yeah, I guess.
This is a forex trader stream. Can't ask for much.
Damn.
A lot of people are just here just for trading.
Signals.
I want to do a poll. Can I make a poll here? What do you say?
I said if you made your stream title like free forex signals, you would probably double in viewers.
Free forex signals?
Yeah.
Oh man, should I do it? Clickbait?
that'd be so. Yeah, do it ironically. That'd be so funny.
Free best forex signals live. Cash them now here.
Exactly. Best forex signals of all time.
Join now. Best free culture forex stream. Yes. I want to do a poll of who's here for knowledge, who's here for the signals, and who's here just for me. But YouTube doesn't allow me to poll. Like, I've tried it before, it doesn't work. You just look bullish on a 4-hour time frame? Yeah.
Ooh, 4-hour highs looking like they want to break here.
No, I want to do on a stream because not everyone on Instagram joins the streams, you know what I mean?
If we get a closure above on the 15-minute, it looks like it's just gonna break through actually, but.
Oh, Andre, did you lock in the hoodies yesterday?
Yeah, I gotta send you a message.
Okay, send me after. Off stream
the
things.
Larges. We're having a problem with the larges. There's like the amount of larges we want aren't available.
Oh, a delay. A delay incoming.
Yeah, but
yeah, you just pushing up.
Just broke those 4-hour highs.
Yep. After creating a lower wick liquid, that would be considered a liquidity wick maybe. I would consider it a wick, but a lot of people call it liquidity wick. So that's your reference. Starting to flip bullish here after came coming down, didn't break the lows, came very close, but we are starting to reject, and now it looks like we're starting to push up. The day time frame again, I was expecting it to push up for a day. So if we're able to break above 155, 384, I'm willing to take my buys. Was it here I was looking for? No, I was looking for above here. This range. Oh. above here it was. What I might do though is I might enter half risk above here. Just because I'm skeptical about this resistance here, like this range here. I'm a lot more confident in this range here because it's a lot cleaner. I might enter half risk in this range and enter the other half in this range, or let's see how everything goes. Because like the overall idea of it is it's breaking back into this range. So this is your resistance right here. I watch Aiden Rice every day. Yeah, I don't watch Aiden as much. Aiden's, I think Aiden Rice is a lot. I don't know. I like Rice's stream a lot more. Aiden's cool though. I purchased a course that tells you why I'm here, because your education is worth my time. That's what I like to hear, David. Turn me up.
Yeah, I'm here for the education. But I'm here for you too, because I feel like you're gonna be pretty big, and it's just cool to see like I feel like I'm watching your rise. Even if that's not your goal to be like a prominent Forex dude, I feel like it's inevitable.
That was cute.
Thank you.
I got really awkward for people. Yo, guys, do the poll.
Oh, I didn't see the poll.
Yeah, do the poll.
Everyone there for the vibes. Watch the vibes bar just go crazy.
I should put signals.
You forgot to put signals? That's what
Knowledge vibes on all above.
Are you okay?
W poll
Hey,
Tyler.
your head on your couch.
Yeah, Tyler, it's dope.
I know you can. I draw poll. I never heard of this website. I tried doing that last time. That extra poll thing, and then it didn't work. So I just gave up. That's why I have mods now. For your chalk, that stuff. Man, I wish I can give like certain people wrenches and certain people like something else. Like, why is it only a wrench you can give? Watch your subs and followers jump next week for next month or so. Other guys are just gonna be down for a month.
And?
I got social media. But hey, social media is great. I'm here to learn and get banned by Prado. WMM. If you haven't got banned by Andre yet, you're not a real one. You have to get banned by Andre
right.
or timed up by Andre.
Time me out.
And then come back.
Have you learned your lesson?
That's how you know you're legit. Oh, poll results. 50% on all above, 30% on knowledge, vibes 20, 30% on. Well, GG's are breaking above here. We can maybe close on gold here. That'd be clean.
Nice.
That'd be very clean here.
It's a clean 15 minute.
You have
buy,
like, yeah, 15 here. I might look for buys on the 15 here, going up for this range here. Let's lock in, guys. Lock it in.
Lock in.
Let's get it.
Minute and a half left.
Looking like it's gonna be like 30 pip stops.
Yeah.
Bottom wick.
For a 60 pip TP. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go half risk or full risk here, or my normal risk.
Yeah, 15 close.
I'm here because the A pair. I got social media, so I don't know who you're talking about, but appreciate it, love, man.
Oh, this beat lit. Hold on.
Shit is fast.
Hype.
Beat.
Shit hype, dog.
Waiting for a bond wick, guys. Waiting for a bond wick first. Once the bond wick is formed, I'm gonna enter a position. Hopefully it's a decent bond wick too. So we can use a current candle maybe. Okay. No bond wick. We came down, made a bond wick now. Okay, cool. I want a decent one. That's not enough for me. That is not enough for me. I want a decent wick. That is definitely not enough for me to enter. How you feeling, Andre, about this? I know that's not enough for you, right?
Yeah, same boat. Need a steeper bottom wick, but it's probably gonna push here, and we may potentially miss the move. And if we do, then it might be a onion play later, right? Might come push and test some highs at like that resistance at 1910. Have some type of bearish confirmation, come back down to test this level at 1903, and then a bullish confirmation at 1903 to come back up and test the highs. It's probably what I look for if this move doesn't play out.
Maybe we may get an entry in because the idea is still there for a closure above. Maybe we can enter as we break the highs using current count stops. Like this. It'd be a 9 pip stop if that's the bottom wick as we're breaking the highs. The price to drop up here.
Hello guys, how are you?
What's up, Stefano?
Hey, what's up? Hey,
yes.
I have a different resistance on gold.
Yeah, where is it?
If you can check it in the 1 hour.
Down here?
No, let me. I send the chart in the chat.
Okay, I'll take a look at it. Just
Yeah,
gonna lock into this.
I think it will be safe there above that zone.
Where's is it the same level? Oh no, it's not. Okay, I
No,
see.
it's a
I
little
see.
bit
I see.
higher.
I see.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, could be. Where's that? Where's it marked up exactly on yours?
Oh.
19. I mean, 1904.
Yeah, 1904.3. 1904.3.
I see. Yeah. I drew mine here just because if we look left, like every time we broke above, we continue up. Plus, like even if we came down, we reject that support. We never close below like this level here, so that's why like I have mine there. I can see why you have yours there, just because it's a lot cleaner. That's why I have mine there for GJ as well, above here instead of here, because it's just a lot cleaner. Yeah, I like the perspective. Nice new wick. Yes. If we can come down a bit further, maybe like, you know, 1902, 801, 818, and then push up, flip, perfect for the buys. Hey, Andre, we don't have social media.
No, he's not talking about that guy. He's talking about MM. Where's the heart rate monitor? Exploded. My heart rate went way too high. Remember that one time I stopped at 60 for a good 10 minutes? I was kind of scared.
This boy should have died.
I'm going outside today. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Michael Jackson used that same mic, if you didn't know. Oh shit, his ghost is talking. I was getting possessed.
I know what MM's doing, but hearts in the chat. 19. Hey, how big is that wick now? That wick is now officially 4 pips. Oh, if we could re-break the highs, I think we should be chabala. I believe if we break the highs here, we can use the current count stops. That's a 11 pip stop. I'm looking to buys as we break the high there.
It's a good good stop loss.
Yeah, it's a buy stop. It's like it's the same entry that we would have had. Oh, there it goes. There's a bias.
Did you get your buys in there?
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Normal lot or half?
I entered my normal lot because the current count stops. I'm in a buy here, guys. That thing came quick. I don't know how much pips I got there. That king came up 6 pips. Oh wow, this thing is moving. What is happening?
News in 10 minutes.
Yeah, this thing came up 6 pips. I could not move stops break even. I wouldn't even move stops break even there yet too. It's only like 5 pips of spreads. I'm probably gonna move stops to break even if we're to maybe continue up towards like this range somewhere up here, or sorry, like somewhere here around like the 10 pip mark, 9 pip mark around here. But yeah, I'm still in this position here. My stop loss is only like 12 pips here. I've mentioned it earlier and said how I was gonna get in buys as you broke the highs. So let's see.
The only reason I stayed out there, and obviously it's a lower confluence, but the 5 minute it closed on top wick. And that next one just opened up, pushed up with no bottom wick. And then that 6 pip marker came back down, and now is flip bearish.
The thing moved way. That thing shot up, came up, and then came back down, and then came up again, rebroke the highs. Yeah.
Hopefully this 5 minute for you flips, pushes up. You should be good.
That's it. That low shouldn't break. If that low breaks again, then this is a new lower wick being formed, right? So in this case, instead of entering a position as we just like open up, I wait for a wick, and then in that case, I wanted us to re-break the highs again. And once we broke the highs, that was my position. That's what we broke down earlier. So it wasn't really like an impulse or anything. It was, the whole idea of it was just like this count close above the range, and we should continue up. And we use the current count instead of the previous count stops. Because technically, this would be your entry. This would be the original entry. Something like this. Right? You have a 30 pip stop for a TP of 60 pips, but since stops were too big, I entered on using the current count stops instead. Ooh, might get stopped out here. Yeah, got stopped out there, guys. Got stopped out. Price came down to re-break its own low. This thing jumped super quick. I just placed a buy stop there too. Yeah, that was quick.
Marcos, you take that or no?
Yeah, kinda. I was just locked in. So I took half of it on the 5 minute celery play going up, and got 10 move stops to break even, but couldn't secure the 10 unfortunately. So I got half of it stopped out at break even, and then the other half on the 15 minute break of the high, which I got stopped out on. So I lost half the position.
Nice risk management.
Was there news on that candle?
I was locked in because it was obviously some crazy trade.
Yeah, you had to be quick with the fingers.
Oh, that's
and I still wasn't quick enough. My hands are legit cold, and luckily I got half that risk. I should have been able to secure 10, but I was freaking trying to move.
Oh, you got 10. I
got 10 on the 5 celery, but I couldn't secure. I got break even.
What 5 celery? 5 celery play like a.
Yeah, if you go to 5 minute, there was a celery play right there on the. It closed bullish, and then what?
You using Trader's Domain?
No, so I placed it above, and it looked like it was gonna be a celery play, but it activated so fast. It was pretty crazy, to be honest.
Maybe after 8.
Not size celery play, the break of the 5 high, I meant.
Yeah, I mean, the current 5 high was the new current like high, the new hourly count we broke. I was thinking of those as well, but I wanted to be a bit safer. I put it above the previous kind of high instead.
So I moved stops to break even on my first, and then I went to move it on my second, but I got stopped out of my first before I could move it on my second. So note to self, like one position at a time, maybe. Maybe I could have secured 10 and then worried about my next position.
This looks like it wants to push now.
It looks like it wants to push now. It barely, it didn't re-break the lows. Like it came right at it, but obviously the spreads stopped me out. But at this rate, I think the better thing to do now is just wait for a 30-minute closure in about 5 minutes here, and your best bet is to wait for the new bond wick form for a new 30-minute candle for price to push up like this. The whole idea behind it would just be a closure above the range. You're entering buy, stop loss is the previous candle low. You could attempt the same entry again using the current candle, but what would I enter?
Yeah, would you enter?
I'm looking to execute in their position, yeah, on the buys.
30-minute stop loss is looking like it's going to be about 33 pips.
Yeah, enter half risk.
Make it a 5-minute seller right here. Let me just push now.
If the 30-minute closes in previous range back again, I'm dead for the day.
I think it should be good close above, but we could close below.
5 minutes. Let's see.
Don, how do you feel about using this 15? Like, say this 15 closes here instead of the 30. Obviously, it's a new 30, so that previous 30-minute low is, you know, a lot lower than this current 15. But the stops would be a lot more manageable.
It's a lot smaller. I mean, this is the low of the new hourly candle. Wait, where's the hourly opening? What's the fur down there? Yeah, you can use a low. I mean, how big is the range? 14 pip stop loss. Yeah. Especially if you close above this area too, above that support there. Use a 15-minute stops there for price to push up. That's not bad. Yeah, I'm looking to take another position. That felt like a news, something dropped, but I don't think anything happened. We have CAD news in like 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Yeah, I think above here is also a closure that Stefano stands as well. That we needed.
Yeah, now on the 30 minutes it's closing above that zone I told you before.
Yeah.
And that's the clean range for me, the clean traffic, sorry.
Yeah, 2 minutes for a closure here. Around 10-second buys again. The thing was so quick. If you were to call a single frat trade, there's no way you could have managed, like, type out it out and manage it. I don't think anyone even got in on the stream. It was just like literally a second. Ooh, we're gonna get an entry in.
5-minute seller play.
Yeah, we're gonna get an entry in. Very close, but I think it's stopped. I think you're good, MM. You're good. You stops are break even for you for sure. That's for 10 pips.
Stops right now are what, 20, 30 almost?
Yeah.
25. If we get a retrace, it'll be like 20, 25. I mean, it's still not that bad for the, what's the target? 45 if you go all the way up to the top.
Yeah. You need a top wick though, for sure. Yeah, I've like barely got stopped. My stop loss was like 1903.26.
Yeah, I got stopped with spreads.
Yeah. I got stopped at half a pip, I guess. Spreads.
I closed like right before I almost got stopped out.
Pushing up.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, I actually never got stopped out, but I did close full already.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are very very clean buys, guys. Very clean buys. With the anticipation that day count is gonna flip too. I mean, I doubt we're gonna get a retrace from here. It's gonna look Abella. Yeah, Abella, like Tyler said. This is just gonna go up. No retracement.
Oh, leaving a good wick.
Hold on. Hold your horses.
He said, Don, shut up.
25 pip stop. 1 pip stop for a 4 pip TP.
Good morning.
And of course, we open up with no bottom wick.
I knew that was gonna happen, to be honest. Whenever there's
so much volume, yeah.
That shit always happens when there's no volume. Maybe something to back test.
Yeah, on trading view, it's like that little nipple wick.
I mean, there's a wick, but like it wasn't like, you know, it wasn't like for me. Enter a bow. Entering a beat drop. If it's thanks to this, yeah, no worries. Breakdown is there. This is Chabella. I think my entry was a valid entry. The entry that entered off earlier it's a pretty good entry. In that case, prices came down to break its own. Well, not even. It came down to match its own low and then came up again. That's the thing about using current counter stops, though. It's a bit more aggressive. But in that case, stops were too big using the previous candle for me.
DJ closed above that resistance.
Just gonna say that for Marcos.
I took a small buy there.
Oh, nice.
When it flipped bullish and the current candle, I enter a small buy.
Nice.
Yeah, right now I'm at my break-even point, my entry point, sorry.
Stops are pretty good on that 15-minute.
Yeah, there's that resistance, 7 pips up, and you move to break even on.
Yeah, and if you have a runner, you should be good. That's the new bottom wick being formed now on gold. Look at that. Look at that. Is there a resistance here? No, there's not. We broke above this range here, guys. If you want, you can move your support up towards here. Look at that from that perspective. And now you have clean traffic until 1808. Now it's like, okay, where are we going to enter? That's the question now. Where are we going to enter? The rubric of the highs, right? Maybe a 15-minute starter play, but that's not a long time. Or another thing to do is maybe if we were to come down here and give us a steeper wick, we may start to retrace, and as we flip bullish again, that'll be your entry. You're anticipating that this though will get flipped completely though. That wick.
And GJ.
Yeah, come on, GJ.
Nice, Stefano. Very nice trade,
I sent the analysis where to put the break even at this trade that is right now, and the targets for it. Yeah, anticipating the volume to continue pushing up.
Yeah, good trade.
Because on the 30 minutes, we didn't have a closure above that resistance, that small resistance. We had like not a clean traffic. But with the break even, I think I'm safe right now.
Yeah.
If it flips bearish, it's okay for me. I will be like -1 pip, almost the break even, but it's okay for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're close above that range there on the 30. And this is like where you have traffic at, you break even, and you anticipate to push up all the way. Yeah.
How do you feel about these 5-minute salary play on gold, Andre? If it closes bearish. I know that's something you would like to do, especially when it's breaking daily highs and stuff like that.
Yo, Carlo, what time frame did you take those GJ buys on?
I think Stefano is the one who said that in effect.
Oh, Stefano.
Carlo? Where's Carlo? Where is Carlo?
I took it on the 30 minutes time frame.
Okay.
I just waited for the bottom wick to be formed. When it flips bullish, I took the entry. It was like 13 pips stop loss, but then I move it fast when you make the push, and right now I'm at break even.
Yeah, they're good buys. The stops were too big. I don't know. I think my resistance is kind of tight for me to take it.
Yeah, it was tight, so it was like a quick break-even trade.
Okay.
because of it wasn't like a clean traffic.
In fact, check on the 15-minute on GJ. The stops in that were 10 pips. I think maybe it would have given you like a decent stop instead of the 30.
Yeah, you're right. I'm just scared of the 15 sometimes. But
yeah, I feel you.
You're right.
As clean as a confirmation.
One for 5 for 4 for GG target. I reckon it should be able to tap. Should be able to tap 514. Yeah, he said reckon, so I said reckon. 520. If that breaks, then you're looking at 670. Let's clean here, especially if we close above this range as well. Yep. We actually make it a 15-minute starter play on gold, and I'm looking at execute on those on this next 15 candle. Close bearish here, next count comes up, breaks the highs. That'd be perfect.
I think you are gonna get it. I think it's gonna play out.
Yeah, let's see.
We shall see.
We shall see. Yeah, that position. I don't think anyone else was able to get in. Probably. I doubt it. I couldn't even display on my screen. I think I had a line there though for a buy stop, like right, like a second before, 2 seconds before.
I literally had to mute my mic. Couldn't even talk.
I think you know. Yeah, just be patient, guys. The day's definitely not done. Like Andre said, you have a lot of volume here, and we may actually get second entries here. That would be a lot more slow, in this case for gold here.
On you, I know there's a lot of volume, but would you be just a little concerned with it being the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour?
Oh wait, it's not 8:30. That was 8:30 candle. I did not even realize that it is the flash. I thought right now it was the 8:15, 8:30 candle. It's 8:37. Wow. Yeah.
I will never forget, as the great Carlo once told me months ago. Anything could happen, and he said 15 minutes is a long time. that was the great Carlo's one quote to me before he disappeared into Narnia, into the wilderness, and became one with the wild.
Boy. Thank you, man.
We're gonna hit break even. That's fine. Break even. Yeah, the thing is, like, you now gotta survive the new 4-hour candle here, and thing is, like, 4 lows down here, so we can come all the way down there for all we know and come back up still for the rest of the day, right? And we're breaking 30-minute, 15-minute lows. That's the thing about runners though, but that's why you're break even. Yep, pure 10 pips too. Nice. H&M. UV, you walk into H&M. You walk into Forever 21.
Walk into Zara.
Yeah, you walk
Zara.
You walk into Zara.
Stefano, you get a break even or no? I didn't see it how it played out, to be honest. I looked away. Yeah,
His
anyways.
position's still running. He's good. He didn't get stopped at breaks yet on his entry.
I couldn't see if the 15-minute came back to the flip.
He's still like 5-6 pips in profit.
Yeah, it's struggling at that. There was that. That's the only reason I didn't get in, was because of that resistance at 7 pips.
155.43.
Correct. That's why I stayed out. But it's a good trade. If you get that volume, if you push you up an extra 3 pips on the new 4-hour, you could easily get that. Just the 4-hour opens real quick, top wick, close, done.
On me?
No, but I can talk to you if you want.
Lord.
Hello, darkness.
15-minute salary point on gold is now a 30 pip stop, unless you get a current candle wick. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This 15 here retraces a little bit, closes bearish. Next 15 will be more of the wick of the 4 hour, right? Come down, push to like 1903.
Little onion booty.
Maybe we'll have a fake out back below 1903, like we'll push below, creating the 4 hour wick. And then on the flip, pushing back above 1903 will be the onion, like Marcos just said, to retest the highs at 1905. That's probably the only position I'll take now.
I can see that.
Oh wow, nice position. That's the same position I took. Yes. That's the same position I took, the same exact one.
Never seen clear candles like that.
Man, have you ever seen people with the same candles for bullish and bearish? That's even crazier. People don't even need candles. They just look at the structure. Might get a 15 star play here.
Yeah, if it closes above that that second support that you drew. The original. Remember how you kind of moved it up now, but it was below. You had a
right here, down here.
Yeah, I have it right there for the 15-minute.
Yeah, move mine up for a 30. I might wait for a 30-minute start play instead. This is also the 9 a.m. candle after the 4 hour closes, but this is a bit skeptical about that new 4 hour count. I don't got a chart here. What is this? Sells below, buys above, range. I'll put some more text in that. More text. More the merrier. This place a bit too early, didn't set up fully. Oh.
Don, what do you think if
Wix9.
the 4 hour?
Where are Wix9? Isn't that your original background? Why do you have a wallpaper if that's your original background? What's this guy?
Oh,
this guy's in the car or something.
I don't even know how the fuck that turned on. How do I get rid of this?
Yeah, I don't know. You gotta say something.
That boy's skin is clear as hell.
Crazy.
He's been unlocked, guys. He's been unlocked. He's been unlocked.
Get it.
Isn't that your original background?
Yeah, I don't even know how that's happening right now.
Oh man.
If anybody knows how to turn this off, let me know.
Yes, that is something.
I'm driving right now. I don't know.
Imagine that one. That one guy who came into the Zoom call. He had like a court date on Zoom, and he had a cat filter on, and he didn't know how to turn it off. You guys see that one?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so
he's
funny.
a lawyer.
Yeah, the lawyer. He had a cat filter on. He's like, I don't know how to turn it off, sir.
He's like, how do I turn this off? I don't know how.
I don't know though. I just put none. It says background. I put none, and this is what comes up.
Hey man, I don't know, but it's kind of cool.
This is great.
I'll leave it. This 15 closes. I mean, this 15 closes in a minute here. Let's see, we're gonna close bullish. So which is a good thing because it hold us out of the start play buys on the last 15 of the hourly, the 4 hour candle. Maybe. A minute is a lot of time. New character works on unlock. Marco's thoughts on this? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I need to see a bottom wick if I'm gonna consider it.
There it is. It's a start play. If you break the highs, should be good, but if third pit range going up. GG is struggling. How did GG close there? 15 closed bullish. Oh yeah, this thing should continue up here. It closed bullish above that range, back into the area there.
Oh yeah, GJ should be good.
New bond wick form now on GJ. On gold, sorry. Now wick's not about to meet you. Mike is on Eskins mode. Break the area, GJ 430 and Chabella, yeah. Stefan, just thought to break even there, or you still win?
His entry was good. His entry never got tapped that 30-minute.
Hmm. Oh yeah, it didn't. Yeah. This is only 11 pips to this range here. Oh yeah, it's because we had a bigger range here on GJ. Above here. Yeah. Yeah, guys. If you miss these buys on GG here, you have buys above here instead. 155, 515. So don't even like press. Above here too. It's a lot cleaner above here. A lot cleaner. Nice. This 15 candles pulling back here. There's new 4 candle. How did that pull do? %, right here for the vibes, or for all above. 4% here for the vibes. 4% knowledge and 4% dawn. Like it. I feel like these answers here are the same. This one same as this one, same as this one.
I think if the 30-minute closes bearish on gold, I'm gonna try to take entry if it breaks the previous candle high for like a celery play. That's like the only thing I feel good about right now.
Yeah. It's probably gonna be like a 915 move probably by the looks of it. Why that can't lose amount? That
Yeah, I'm trying to stay off the 15. I took a couple L's on the 15 like yesterday, I think.
Game pulse entries or like normal entries, closures above ranges.
They were, Well, they were my mistake. I got in. I think it didn't even have a wick. Like little silly mistakes and shit. Impulse entry, I think too. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Asian session didn't have enough volume, I guess, for the impulse entry, so I took a L. Because I remember in the course you were like, celery plays are best like on like aggro days or like volume.
Marcos, did you stream yesterday? TikTok? It didn't stand.
Guys, I'm done for the day. Have a nice day. I'm leaving.
Alright, Stefan, take it easy. Nice time to see you out there.
Alright, Stefano.
Have a nice one. Bye.
Have a nice
See you
one.
tomorrow.
See ya.
Take care.
Hey guys, I'm here for a bit longer. Here for a bit. I don't have a workout today too, so I'll be here for a bit longer. I really believe we're getting our push. Like this is right here. What we're doing right here, this retracement is just a new 4-hour candle wick, or the current 4-hour candle wick being created. So I want to say if we close above here on the 4-hour candle in 8 minutes here, we should be fine for this next 4-hour candle to continue up as well to fill the range like this. I'm going to look for more buys going up of the area. Perhaps like a 30-minute starter player or something, but we got 9 a.m. maybe 9:15 push. You don't even have the NYC open yet, and that's in 30 minutes. Imagine the volume that's gonna come in. Money's important. Yeah, obviously important, but it's not all you need. You don't need it. Well, you need it, but to a certain extent, you don't need it. It's not everything, right? A lot of people, when they start to make money for the first time, like actually, like, you know, gains, like life-changing gains, they'll start to change a bit, and they'll start to spend more, and you know, get into these bad spending habits. I've been there, and you know, you'll learn eventually. But it's very important in trading too, because at one point eventually you're gonna start making money that's life-changing, and try to, you know, stay humble. If you don't, then Riad's gonna kick you in the face, man. That sounds so humble now. DJ, we're breaking highs, nice. How many eggs are you for breakfast? 3. Carl, what chart was this? This is a nice chart. See, for those who send charts with no type of text, these are charts that I want. Like this looks kind of clean. 1 hour resistance. The only thing you gotta do here is put numbers, like label it. So I know where to read it from, but 1 hour resistance in this area, and there's a possibility to get a 1 hour closure above it. On that closure, I will wait for a candle to create a bottom wick, and once it flips, I would enter buys using either current lows or the previous lows at 17 pips for the 1 hour TP time frame. If we don't get a 1 hour closure, I anticipate price to keep going up because we are getting a higher confirmation time frame closing this area. We'll move stops to break even at this point. Nice target, very clean. Hey Marcos, did you stream yesterday on TikTok? The headset's not on. That looks like he's down bad right now. Look at him. Look, I'm just thinking. What are you thinking of? Look at that, he's staring into space.
Marcos, you there, bro?
Is everything okay at home?
Yeah. Hey.
Thinking about the profits he lost from yesterday.
Hey, yo. Look at him.
Just let me. Catch for the rose.
GG pushed up to that range. Nice. Nice. There he is. Michael did stream. Oh, he did? On TikTok? Nice.
What did I do?
After you streamed yesterday.
No. I went TikTok live, guys.
Yeah. I asked you if you TikTok live yesterday.
Oh no, I was playing. It was game 5 of my NBA playoff series.
Yo, go back to the stream like 30 seconds ago. Actually, I'll show it here. Oh my god, this cringy ass ad.
Don, what is this?
This ad. Oh my god, man. I hate these ads so much.
I'm in Dubai trading big lots. I'm 30 lots deep on each position.
Christ.
Christ.
What is going on?
Why is your thing flicking like that?
Hello?
Give me an epilepsy attack, dog. Yeah, epilepsy attack.
Bro, you came back and literally you were down bad, so I started drawing arrows. I'm like, yo, Marcus, you there? Go watch it. It's really funny. The way you're staring into space. But man, he's gonna rush this. What, you got an ad? I don't know who that is. I've never seen that guy. Is that Nick? Is that who it was? No?
It's the other guy. I'm his homies.
Yes, I might get an entry on GJ.
Where?
30-minute.
Going up towards 155 660. Target.
Yo, I did look down bad.
Yeah, you came back to space and like,
It's that post toilet depression. You just sit there, you're like, damn.
I did that to the toilet.
Looks like we've been getting late moves lately. I think we're gonna get them again today. I mean, we did have early moves, but I think we're gonna get late moves too. 9:30, 10.
yeah, I'm thinking of 9:15. I'm gonna have a workout today too, so I'd be vibing.
How do you feel about this GJ 30-minute closure above that 30-minute resistance? I have like you have your resistance drawn different, but on GJ I have a resistance drawn at 155.435. Looks like it should close above here.
I forgot where I had this levels marked up on. I think it was the hourly. I think right there.
Here's that new 4 hour.
Bro.
There's a new 1 hour, yeah. It wasn't back into the range. It should have come to fill it. Watch it for the 4 hour pullback and you should be good. 4 hours closing back into the range. There's like a fake on the 4 hour time frame. You have a resistance up here. You have a support down here. This is the range. Taking back up into the range now. The highly anticipated buys going up towards 156 here. Same thing as gold is doing as well in the 4 hour time frame. It's doing the exact same thing on gold. Fake out on a 4 hour time frame coming back in the range as well as we're breaking back into this level here. Back to this level, we should come to fill it at 1912 for the day. So we'll look to execute. A bigger stops here for a 30-minute start play. 0.5 pips.
Hey Don, how do you feel about that 4 hour closing below 1905.29? That resistance on the 4 hour.
Gold?
Yep.
I feel about it closing where?
Below that resistance at here.
Oh, this resistance? I had mine drawn here. I'm not sure where I got that from actually. Let me go back on the daily time frame. I don't know where I got that from. I think it was because of this right here. I think I had it from here earlier. Right there. So before I would match it with that. I noticed that every time we close above this range here, we're able to pop up towards the top of the range, which is like around here. So that's why I drew mine here. Like there's a resistance here, but it's like very minor looking left of it. There's like this clean traffic candle blocking that, so I'm willing to take buys in this range. That's why I had it there instead.
Makes sense.
Did you have it drawn up there?
Not necessarily. I had my just at the previous 30-minute resistance at 1903, but just looking at the 4 hour, I think I'm gonna potentially stay out of these buys unless this 4 hour breaks the previous 4 hour high. But I won't take an entry around that 1905 level just because I see a lot of rejections there. I view that as like a strong support.
Us re-breaking the 4 hour highs is a 30-minute start play.
Like it.
You know what that means? Entry. Yeah, a wick might be enough if you break the highs. Yeah, I'm looking for a position, guys. Yeah, but I'm not sure where, how yet. New 4 candles opened up. We have potential for a 30-minute starter play. I sit, man. I'm kind of tired. I'm struggling to stand right now. Need some pre-market feel. Play for that though. I don't have a workout, so no point. I slept early yesterday though. I think I tried to go bed at 10. I fell asleep at 12 or 11:30 or something. 11:40.
That's not bad. You're getting down there.
But tomorrow I should be able to sleep at around 11 or 10. I should be back on track. It takes me like 2 days to fix my sleep schedule. So yeah, you are right though. You'll go sleep when you think about stuff. You're right. Yeah. Even like random stuff, you just can't stop thinking about, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta clear your mind. Just close your eyes and go sleep. Then try on Discord, Don. Gotcha. What's up? Okay, I'll say something.
That's what I say. Oh, 30-minute on gold. Breaking the highs, still in the range.
Breaking our current highs?
Burning that. It's about to break the 30s. The 30 high.
Yeah.
Feeling.
A 30-minute salary play is what you're talking about.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
I'll wait.
30 pip stop loss for a TP of 32 pips. A 1-to-1 RR trade with us breaking the high, breaking back into the range. I have a buy stop right here. For a 15-minute start play. Or a 30-minute start play going up.
Will you use half risk?
Yeah, probably. That's for a bit big here.
Rumania.
That's a banger.
David Guda play.
Or minute start play. If you come down to rubric its own low, I'm probably gonna delete the buy stops. It would be a 120 RR no more. Be like a negative RR. TP is gonna be 0.295.
The fact you get in on GJ.
Yeah, I got in on GJ.
Nice.
I'm waiting for it to get up to like 155.5 so I can move my stops to break even, and I'm not gonna take any off until like 10 pips probably though.
Nice. I just wanted to. I know you've been staying away from the 15, but I was looking at the same entry. The only thing that held me out was the 15-minute resistance at 155.496. We've had a couple like 15-minute candles close right around that area and then push up and then fail to come back down.
Yeah, I saw that. That's why I'm gonna move my stops when it gets there.
I have buys above there actually. The 15-minute closes above that resistance that you just said on the 15.
Nice.
Whoever's in this chart is good management. La Fame. Starts to break even at this amount of resistance. Took buys as broke back into the range for extra confirmation. Closure above 321 resistance. Where's your stop loss in this case? The current candle or previous candle? And then 80% at 10 pips. Runners active. Nice. Yep. 800. Wow. 155 800 is the target. Yeah, we may push up towards that level today. I did mention we're breaking back into the range on GJ. 800 is that due actually? Yeah, 155 800 for a day. Or this current forward candle should be clean. You check mine. Which one? I checked yours already. There's no text on it. You gotta put some text on it. It was just a winning position. Yeah, I can't really do much with that, right? Funny, because the first time Andre sent me a chart ever on stream, he sent me a chart and I was like, what am I gonna do with this chart? He sent me a winning chart. And then him and Carlo went at it in the chat.
Now it's kind of like that. There was actually a lot of writing on it, but it was I think the thing was that I was only sending in charts that were after the trade had played out, and you were like, I want to see charts that haven't played out. We can go back and look. We should go back and look.
Yeah, where was it? Do you know where? Find it.
I ain't finding that shit.
It was like when did you first join? October or something? Now he's gonna go look.
I'm not gonna go look. I don't care.
Let's find it. I want to see the day when everything started. Day when everything started. Now this says on my stream. God, he's on the stream. We got merch. Crazy how life works. I'm gonna go, guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks, Don. See you, DD. Take it easy. I'll start calling you DDG. I had set to the current 30-minute, bro. Oh, current 30. Yeah, yes, Tim. That's the entry I took earlier on gold. Same exact entry. You still have a 1-to-1 here? Yeah, we do. Come on, gold. What are you gonna do here? What is it tomorrow? That's the 3rd. I'll make a TikTok today. Gold is throwing. Yeah, gold is throwing. Throwing is another term for chalked, by the way, guys. In gaming world. Or you're selling. Like you're not playing your highest potential. Gold in this case is not moving to its highest potential.
Yeah, I closed half on GJ because 15 broke the lows.
Man. GJ. Okay, my spreads are really low. I have been using the same lot for so long. What do you think? Should I change? I feel like I'm ready, but I don't know. What's your lot size? I think it depends on you. It depends on whenever you're comfortable to really increase your lot size. Like I've been using the same lot for the whole year. I haven't changed my lot size since, and I don't plan on doing so until next year. My plan is to use the same lot the whole entire year until Q4, decrease it for fourth quarter. After Q1 next year, increase it for awesome highs again. So like this is like Q4 is my ranging stage. After the onion play will come in to retest the highs Q1 next year. That'll increase to like a 15, 20, whatever it is, right? That's what I did last year. I went from like a 5 to 10. It's not personal preference. Andre, have you been increasing lot sizes? Or what's your plan for with that? I haven't asked you yet.
I don't know. I'm not even thinking about it. I'm just gonna like let it naturally happen.
What's it been this year though?
Yeah, maybe this year. I feel like the more maybe like 6-7 months ago when I was like focused on constantly increasing my lot sizes, I was less focused on my trades. And now that my lot sizes are smaller than they were in the past, I make more money than I did because I'm just like focused on the trade. I'm not focused on how much money I'm making.
It's a W mindset. So have you increased it this year so far? What's the progress been this year? Yeah, what's the process been with that?
No. Nope, I don't think I've increased it this year. I think last year, like in 2020, I was like 3s and 4s on GJ. And now it's slightly less than that. And it just feels good, feels comfortable. I can take like a 15, 20 pip stop loss on GJ and not be too concerned about it. I also don't trade like the normal 1 to 2% of my account. I trade less than 1 to 2% of my account.
Yeah, because you're not increasing it, right? And as you make profits, your account's going up, but you're not increasing, which makes it like a lot lower. Yeah, same thing as I do.
That and just like if I'm trading like a 25K account and I pop 2 lots, like I'm not even trading 1% of my account.
Over leveragers are punching the air right now. 25K account, you know how much money I can make with that account? I can flip that to 100K. Jean Ree, are you who I think you are? Are you back? Oh man. Oh, you know what? I think I think he's back, guys. Zoop. Yeah, I'm gonna delete these buy stops, guys. Oh wait, hold on, not yet. See. Yeah, I'm gonna delete these buy stops now. Yeah, it's not 1-to-1. Like, delete the buy stops. I don't know. I'm scared. I think I'm scared of changing my lot size. So don't change it, right? I mean, wait until you're at a stage where you're like very, very, very consistent for a certain amount of months, and then you can look to increase your lot size. But until then, just experiment the trades, experiment your sample sizes with the trades that you've been normally been taking so far, right? Because you don't want to increase your lot size while you're experimenting which trades play out versus which trades don't play out. It's not a good look. It's not a good time to increase it. But once you figure that stuff out, and you're like, okay, you know what? These are my 8% weight in trades, and these are my 10% weight in trades. I'm gonna start to increase it because I think these trades are, you know, the highest probability trades I can probably find. That's all I'm gonna look for, and it's all I'm gonna enter off of. See you tomorrow, Sharif. Take it easy. I've been profit for like a year, except for last month. I made like 100 a whole month, but I feel like I want to try. I don't know. I'm confused. Do I plan on going on Vanimore? Last time I checked, it rebroke its own low and it wasn't at 1-to-1, was it? Oh, it's still 1-to-1 actually. Yeah, 32 pips. I'm put the buy stop back on actually. We're moving on to the 930 candle too. 930 is NYSE. I believe with the break of that high, which is also the break of the 4-hour high at the same given time, those buys would be lovely. Our stops are also the current 4-hour lows, so I can actually put the buy stops back on. $15-minute start play, 30-minute start play. NYSE open. Which risk management strat do you think is better for growing a small account, risking 1% per trader, doing a fixed lot size? I think the best strategy is not focusing on growing a small account and focus on winning trades. Right? I mean, 1 to 2% risk per trade. 1 to 2% risk per trade. But don't even consider calling it a small account. Like I hate the term small account because it's like, and their word for it would be just like, yeah, it's my throwaway account. It's whatever. Like, I don't care about it. I want to over leverage and I want to flip it. It's a normal account. Every account is an account, right? Small or big. Small for you could be big for someone else. Big for someone else would be small for you. Yeah, that respect. Yeah. Yeah. That was definitely his vibe. Gold got me yawning here, not moving.
think with the way that 1 hour closed, the way the 4 hour closed, we may potentially slow down in here a little bit. We'll see what happens at 9:30.
How long you
These
on
candles
for?
look like they're dying out a little bit.
I'm hungry. That's what I need. Need some food. I might delete the buy stops, guys, if it reaches lows. If it reaches lows, might just call it a day, or at least take it off stream. I need some food. I'm hungry. Some eggs or something. I make is Maho crawling on the floor?
Yeah. Why are you crawling on the phone? I was literally just about to ask you if you got a new dog. I see this, I look up and I see something crawling. I'm like, wait, is that like that was like a husky or something?
She's this new 4K is the wide angle. She's like trying not to like get in the picture. I told her she's good, just watch. I don't care.
That was funny.
Serious. Yeah, I actually think I'm gonna call it a day here.
Yeah.
I think that 1 hour close below, that 4 hour close below. Maybe we'll get some volume here, but I think I'm gonna give my eyes like a 15-minute break. I feel like sometimes that helps. Like you stare at the charts for 2-3 hours, step away for 15 minutes or something, and come back, feel a little refreshed. You just like start seeing cross-eyed when you're staring at the charts for 4 hours.
Yeah, me too. I got out of GJ. I lost $25, but I was risking 45, so I still feel pretty good about it.
Nice risk management, man.
That's what I like to hear.
Yeah. I'm gonna head out. Take care, everybody. Peace out. Good session.
Later,
See you
Andre.
Tomorrow. Later.
Peace out, Andre.
You're easy.
Oh, he's gone.
You
got ignored.
You done for a day too, Marco?
Nah, I'm chilling. Chilling at some point until once the stream ends. I'll probably just make breakfast and continue trading for a little bit, just because there's been a lot of late moves the past few weeks.
Yeah.
So I've been scheduling my trading to at least 10:30 almost.
Yeah, I want to see what 9:30 does, and then I'll probably go.
Egg stream?
Oh yeah, cooking stream.
Discord.
If ever I go and cook.
Exclusive breakfast stream.
Chef Gordon Mars.
Yeah.
Gordon Mars.
Put your camera on, just do it.
Yeah.
I can't bring my cam. I have a PC. Are you currently in any trades? No, I'm not. I'm not in any trades. I'm waiting for this boss to get activity here, but it looks like we are going to reject their to break the lows.
Might be an onion, maybe. Like I said, late moves.
Yeah, 9:30, 9:45 then. But the reason why I had a buy stop there, guys, was because the 4 hour candle, if you look at it, 4 hour time frame, look left here, we closed above this range here on a 4 hour time frame. And every time we were close above this range here, we're able to pop up towards this top of the range here, towards the 1910 mark, 1909 mark, I want to say. But with that being said, I had a buy stop there because it was a 30-minute starter play going up. Price closed bearish current resistance, but if you were to come up and break the high, it indicates that we were breaking structure to continue up towards this range here at 1910, which is also the break of the 4 hour candle high again after creating a lower wick. But I'm going to delete these buy stops here. Because we are breaking lows and this is not 1-to-1 no more. So probably what you want here now is you probably want, like Marco said, the onion play, which would be something like this. The ideal. We come down, we create support right around here. And after you create that support, we close bullish. We come up to retest the highs again, which is somewhere up here, to continue up towards the next range. Or what I'll look for. Alright, that or you close
hard. Because on like a lot of times on gold, like you'll get that move, but it won't look like that clean, because that would be like 45 minutes worth of candles. Like with the 9:30 volume, you could get a closure here, and then in 5 minutes when 9:30 opens, it just shoots up. Then you get no entry.
Yeah.
Like usually Andre enters on like some sort of celery play going up.
Like mid range. Yeah.
Yeah, like a mid-range celery play. I know that's his like bread and butter.
Where's entering the onion? You have 2 areas you can enter off of. You can enter first off of the candle closing bullish as support, because like that'll be the first 15-minute candle that will close bullish on a new forward candle, which would mean that that's a lower wick or high chance could be a lower wick for price to drive up. Or 2, you can be safe about it and enter as you close above the range. So this will be your second entry for price to drive up. Overall, this range that you want though, this area right there. So got 2 scenarios there. $19.90 me. If gold goes down, it goes down. I don't care, right? I'm not looking for big sells today. I'll probably move on to tomorrow. I think if we were to break below 1900, then we could potentially come down towards the 1995, 1994 mark. But again, I'm not looking or interested in those sells. Well, Jeffrey, it's been 3 weeks. How you been? Man, what TikTok am I making today? Shit. I don't know.
I gotta post after this.
You hit 10K on TikTok yet?
8,300, I think. 8,004, something like that. I need like one more like big one, like one more like decent TikTok. I'll probably hit it. 83.
Hey Don, I just had a quick question. For the 4-hour candle on gold, for you to take a position, would you just wait for the 4-hour to flip, or like create that bottom wick, the good one? Because I can see like the 4-hour.
Yeah, so
pretty big.
I just talked about it. It's either 1, you wait for the 4-hour flip, which would be a closure above that range on the onion play, or 2, you wait for that first bullish candle closure as support for the onion play, because that would indicate that that's the lower wick of the 4-hour candle being formed. So right now, all that's happening here is it's a new forward candle, and we're obviously pulling back to create that new wick before the NYSE open. So with the 15 closing, you can anticipate that we're starting to flip, and then the whole candle will flip eventually. They close above that range. Yeah.
5-minute big booty onion on gold.
Angel, you gotta send a chart on Discord. Go to join the Discord, link in the bio, and then go on charts for stream and send it here. Where I forgot my charts at.
He said, analyze GJ. Now.
Analyze GJ. Broke it down already. It came up into the range here. A lot of people broke it down in the stream as well. Aside from me, mentioned how we're gonna come back in the range here. Have this resistance, starts to reject. So now the only thing I'm looking for is buys above 155, 500 going up. Above there would be your buys. For everyone that's buy above, sell below, those people, you guys will probably look for sells here. Keep in mind the buys for a day. Like the day candles, the weekly buys is bullish, but the day time frame is bearish, technically bearish, until we actually close bullish today in about 7 hours. So once we close bullish here, tomorrow should be a better day going up. The only reason why I was looking for buys today on GJ was because I was anticipating that this would be the flip for the weekly candle going up. Because the weekly candle has no top wick here, and trying to reject the pure support, so this could be a flip here. Continue up for the week. If we look left on the weekly candle, we also close above that range, right here. You zoom up here, you close above this range here. All right, look left, we have clean traffic until 161 for the week. So that's how my boss is bullish today. Wow, might get a 3-minute start play going up on GJ, but stops are massive now.
I'm looking at gold.
You took any trades today? No. Oh wait, yeah, I did. I took the gold buys.
I think I might get the seller play coming down on gold.
That happened in many days. I'm calling it a day. 9:30 here. You have NYC volume here. If you break that low, you might see Chabella.
I have a resistance drawn like right above where this last 30-minute close. It looks like it just closed below this little 30-minute resistance on gold if you look left, and now it looks like it's gonna made a top wick. It wants to drive down. Kind of looking at it backwards now. We'll see. Looks like stops are gonna be massive on any entry.
No, you know what I just realized? You can use the current forward count low, because we were looking at earlier on. We are looking at it from a 30-minute perspective.
Yeah.
But now we can enter as you break the 1 hour highs again. Stops the current count low after you break the high.
Pips.
Yeah, for a 40 pip target.
Huh.
I didn't see that.
You could still see it. There's a lot going on right now.
A lot. I might just. I'm hungry. That's the thing. I might just end stream. Off stream trade.
They're gonna kill you.
Casino member stream. Casino member. Casinos only. Yeah, I'm tired, chat. I don't know. How you guys doing today? You guys doing good today?
Chat's pissed.
Yeah, chat's probably pissed.
I've been up since 3, bro. I'm straight. Vibing.
I don't know, man. My sleep schedule got messed up earlier this week, so I've been like drained this week. It's fine though.
This summer messed up my sleep schedule forever now. I can run off like 3 hours of sleep, 2-3 hours, and I'll be fine.
Break of these 15-minute highs on gold look like a good entry. Oh, never mind. It worked. Maybe. Current candle lows, 15 pip stop. You would get 10 and then move stops to break even.
Now look at this. Yeah. 15 closure in 12 minutes. I'm just calling it a stream, guys. I'm calling it a stream. I'll be in a corp car or something. I gotta make food, so I'm looking for buys on gold. Definitely. I want to wait for this next 15 closure in about 15 minutes here. If you can close above that range, I'll look for buys going up or a 30-minute closure above the range. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day and just continue on tomorrow on stream. I'm just kind of tired. Want some food. Re-energize myself. But other than that, take it easy, guys. Wait, how can I get the Zoom link? You get the Zoom link through the course. Only course members get the Zoom link, so y'all be enrolled into the course. But chat, call it a day. Hope you guys had a great day today. It was chill day, pretty chill day, not bad. Thanks all the mods. Thanks Tyler for the poll and all that stuff. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. Have a great session. Don't overturn, don't over leverage. And Chabala. Peace.
Chabala.
That was in the chat.
How bello.